Hello people! Samsung has introduced a significant update to the main camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but do not expect that the company will somehow greatly improve the camera in its flagship phone of the next generation, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to Inside Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use the same 200-megapixel camera sensor from the SLSP2 as the main camera. It is reported that the new phone will use the same 12-megapixel sensor Sony IMX754 for telephoto lenses with 3x optical zoom and 12-megapixel sensor Sony IMX564 for ultra-wide camera. The only sensor that will be updated is a telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. They say that the company will use a slightly modernized 12-megapixel sensor Sony IMX754 Plus for the longest range of optical zoom. If this information is true, we can see only a small improvement of the 10x zoom. Other improvements to the quality of the camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra can be achieved only by improving the software and processing. No information about the camera's Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus has not yet arrived. However, if the Galaxy S24 Ultra did not bring a significant improvement in the camera, the same can be true for two other models in the line. It is expected that Samsung will equip the Galaxy S24 series with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in Asia and North America. In Europe, the company can present the options of the Exynos 2400 phones. It is expected that both of these chips will use the latest ARM processor cores. It is expected that the Exynos 1400 will have a 4 times larger performance of the graphics processor than the Exynos 2200. Additional information will be revealed at the end of this year. Last year, we did not have a phone of the S Fan Edition series, nor a tablet FE from Samsung. But this year, the company can release the Galaxy S23 FE and Tab S9 FE. Until December 2022, there was hope that Samsung would release the Galaxy S22 FE, a cut-off version of the Galaxy S22, but this did not happen. Reports said that the company had to give up the phone due to a lack of chips. But it did not completely give up the S Fan Edition series, and it seems so. Only today it became known that the Galaxy S23 FE battery was certified in South Korea, which confirms the case that the phone really exists. WinFuture added this data, reporting that the Galaxy S23 FE already exists in the database of import and export of some countries. These lists seem to confirm that the phone will have a 50-megapixel main camera, as was shown in earlier cases. The publication notes that the recordings were made at the end of April, which means that the phone will not appear here before August or September. This is due to the fact that Samsung phones usually go on sale 3 months after their first appearance in all available databases. There are cases that the Galaxy S23 FE will be equipped with the proprietary Exynos 2200 chip, and the Snapdragon option will not. The chip will be equipped with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage. The above-mentioned 50-megapixel main camera is supposed to be accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and an 8-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. The front camera is stated as 12 megapixels. Roland Guanta's WinFuture also reported that Samsung is already working on the Galaxy Tab S9 FE, but given that the Tab S9 series has not yet been announced, it may take some time before we see the FE version. In any case, friends, we will keep you posted, so subscribe, do not go far. With you was Harry, see you in the next video, good luck to everyone.